everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to sign in to Brawlhalla. So let's dive into the video right away. First of all, open your Brawlhalla application from your device and wait until it loads up. After you're inside this main home page, tap on the settings icon at the top right hand corner. Now, tap on account linking from the menu. Tap on cross progression and then you will need to tap on link a Ubisoft account option. It'll then take you to this account page where you can easily link your Ubisoft account with Brawlhalla. Tap on the continue button and log into your Ubisoft account if you have an account already. If you don't, tap on create an account option and follow through the account creation process. While logging in, make sure to enter your email address associated with Ubisoft. Now enter your password on the next field and tap on the login button. Now you will need to confirm your account that you'd like to link with. Tap on this I acknowledge box and tap confirm and you have linked your account with Brawlhalla. You can now return back to Brawlhalla application and you will be signed in. So that is how you will be able to sign into Brawlhalla within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.